But as for you, speak the things which are fitting for sound doctrine. Older men are to be temperate, dignified, sensible, sound in faith, in love, and perseverance. Older women, likewise, are to be reverent in their behavior, not malicious gossips, nor enslaved in too much wine, teaching what is good, so that they encourage the young women to love their husband, to love their children, to be sensible